delete a key from dictionary. Go to brackets. As you can see here, we have our dictionary from the previous lecture. So, to delete a key with its value in dictionary, I will make that clear for you guys. Print string marks before deletion, then print OS to show all the dictionary in the terminal. So now, to delete a key, we should write the keyword del, OS, square brackets, quotation marks, your key name AT&T. I also want to print after deletion. Then print OS and try that in terminal. Alright, very nice. As we can see right here, the key and its value has been already deleted. Thank you for watching.